Today we're in El Fuertecito to review the 27 Sports Shack. Great little sports bar right near the beach. Hey folks, here we are at the 27 Sports Bar in Punta Cana. They're getting ready here for a big Super Bowl party that we're planning on attending a little bit later on. We're having a little breakfast. Of course, we have beef. So I'll get our first little meal in of the day. And a little
Canadian
spicy
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary. Canadian folks, sports bar. It's supposed to be very busy. They actually sold out inside, and they're kind of moving the party into the parking lot outside. So we'll be here later on to kind of check it out and say hello to all the folks. Supposedly a lot of expats here. So expats really means here Americans and Canadians. So we'll meet a lot of people and a lot of people who speak English.
Yes. Very nice place. It actually is open doors, widely open in the front, right at the back of us. There's a nice breeze of air in here. They do have plenty of outside patio. They're going to have the Super Bowl tonight. They're going to have a barbecue outside. They're going to have a big TV, and of course drinks and food.
We found a great little watering hole with some great people here in Punta Cana, right near the beach. Please like, subscribe, and tune in to our next videos as we bring you some of the best restaurants in the Punta Cana area. Thank you.